At State Industrial Products, we've built our reputation based on our commitment to our customers and our product performance. That's why both of our products and our processes meet some of the most respected certification standards in the industry. We're proud to be ISO 9001 certified for quality management, ISO 14001 certified for environmental responsibility, and GMP certified following good manufacturing practices for safety and consistency. These certifications reflect our commitment to the highest manufacturing standards, giving our confidence that every state product will perform reliably and meet the demand of our facility. Beyond our quality certifications, many of our products go even further, carrying additional third-party certifications trusted across the industries. NSF certified products for public health and safety, particularly in food-related environments, along with CFIA compliant products for product safety applications in Canada. Kosher and halal-friendly products, which meet important cultural standards. Green Seal, Eco Logo, and USDA bio-based products, which recognize our commitment to high-performing environmental-friendly products. Furthermore, we have been recognized as an EPA Safer Choice Partner of the Year numerous times. We carry a wide range of EPA Safer Choice certified products that are safer for people, pets, and the planet. From schools and hospitals to commercial kitchens and properties, our certifications help customers stay compliant, sustainable, and confident in every solution we provide. At State Industrial Products, we deliver high-performance solutions, all driven by our mission to care for our work environments. Learn more at stateindustrials.com.